마치 칼로 자른 듯한 모습으로 구동강이 나 있습니다. 떨어진 조각 상판은 시민의 덜을 연상케 할 정도로 심하게
Poison Prevention Week, and as medical reporter Robin DeWin tells us, over-the-counter medicines can be a danger to your health.
Tylenol, Advil, cough medicine, they're probably all in your medicine cabinet, but local poison experts say if you take too much or overuse these products, they can make you sick and in some cases even kill you. Dr. John Benitez heads the Poison and Drug Information Center at the U of R Medical Center, and he says people don't think these common products are harmful. Too often people take too much over a short period of time hoping to feel better faster. And too often cold medicine has multiple ingredients, and that's where folks run into trouble.
Whether it be acetaminophen, aspirin, ibuprofen, any of the pain-type medications that people take, if you take enough of that, people die from that. I mean, our number one killer, if you want to call it, just in this region, but it's also nationwide, are the painkillers, just over-the-counter painkillers.
The audience at home, everybody. I want you to remember that when you go to the drugstore, it's my prescription for over-the-counter drugs. And the acronym is OTC. O stands for obeying directions. We've talked about it today. The government trusted you to read the instructions. You got to read the instructions or you're not doing your part of the bargain. That's why some of these drugs, which used to be prescription, are freed for us to be able to purchase less expensively. But our responsibility is a pretty clear one. T is to talk to your pharmacist. If you got someone like Nancy near you, right? Nancy is not just a pill dispenser. A machine could do that. Nancy's a bright, intelligent soul who wants to help you. So go to the back. They're legally obliged to talk to you, but they're going to talk to you about what's going on in your life. They can help you figure out if you're having problems with the drugs, you're using them too many, you're getting rebound from them. If you haven't read the back or don't understand the back directions and ingredients, they can help explain that to you. And the C is to choose the lowest dose first. Now, what does that mean? If the dose is 1 to 2 pills, because some people are small, some people are big, and they're going to give you the options, take the lower dose first. First of all, you might work for you.